Kainin natin yung Oreo natin, guys.
I've never really shot for myself.
Ay. Kakain yan. Kakain yan, diba? Kakainin niya. Uy.
Yes.
Oh. Papakain tayo.
I'll put something together for you.
Diba?
Thank you so much.
Ayusin mo.
Anything else?
Oh, wait, yeah. A Greek English
Ayusin
dictionary.
mo.
What? Here?
I look at the house, I look at the... Yes, that house.
Tama mo ako. Yun o, nalaglag o. Nalaglag na. Diba? Ito. Oh. Ito nga. Bila. Isa pa.
What?
D.
Normally call me Malinaki when you want
Kain tayo.
something.
Okay, Sophia's sick. Can you cover her shift tonight?
Are you kidding me?
Come on, I sure of start tonight.
I'm the entertainment, not the help.
Melina,
Member namin ha.
this is a tower.
Kain tayo.
Please.
Fine. Can I at least finish my first set?
Sure. We just leave the back
Yeah.
of the second half. No one will
Lisa.
notice you're gone.
Uy. Shh. Tingnan mo. Oh. Pa.